In 5 seconds, I'm going to show you how to create the best AI for your business needs. So go to customgpt.ai and log in. Create a new project for your needs. Now that's basically all I have to show you because the process is so straightforward, you don't even need to watch this video. From here, you just have to upload the information your AI will need using this intuitive interface. So that could be any of these integrations, any documents you have. It could even be your entire sitemap. Now, in just 10 seconds, I'm gonna upload some information I want my onboarding agent to follow, and in literally the time it took me to complete this sentence, my AI is ready to start answering employees. You can even edit how the AI responds using the custom persona feature, and you can indicate the tone, what it can respond to, what it can't. There's just so much control you can have over it. Man, I'm so excited to use this. Let me just take 5 seconds to spice it up a bit using my company logo, and I'll give it a background here as well. Now, after a grueling 30 seconds of effort, I'm ready to deploy this agent to my team. Here is where I can deploy, and if I had created a customer support bot, I would have chosen the public deployment option and put it on my website. But for this case, I'm going private so that only my team interacts with it. Now I can just grab this URL from right here and send it to my teammates. From here, we can test the agent out with some questions like, what days do I have off this year? And in just a second, we can see it will answer that question along with other days I might have off. It'll also cite the document where this came from so that the employee knows that it's real information. I can also ask it some more complicated questions about workplace disputes that might need to be addressed with our management team. I'll ask it, my coworker just told me that even an AI couldn't make me smart enough to do my job. What should I do? And our training agent, thanks to the custom persona feature, correctly escalates this issue to management. That's how quickly customgpt works. In just over a minute, I've shown you how to create any AI agent you could want with a tool so intuitive you don't even need a tutorial. Imagine what you could accomplish in a few more minutes. Whether you're streamlining employee onboarding, enhancing customer support, or creating specialized training bots, customgpt is ready to fit your needs. Start your free project with customgpt and see how AI can elevate your business in seconds.